Directed energy weapons represent a revolutionary shift in modern military technology, offering precision, speed, and efficiency in combat. Among the most exciting forms of directed energy weapons are laser systems, which are increasingly being integrated into naval platforms. The U.S. Navy, in particular, has been at the forefront of this innovation, developing and testing laser weapons for deployment on warships. Laser weapons work by emitting focused beams of energy, usually in the form of light, that can disable or destroy targets with pinpoint accuracy. These systems operate by targeting the vulnerability of the enemy, whether it's a drone, missile, or small boat, and delivering concentrated energy to damage or neutralize the threat. Unlike traditional kinetic weapons, lasers travel at the speed of light and can engage multiple targets in quick succession without the need for ammunition. One of the most well-known examples of a naval laser system is the laser weapon system, which was successfully tested aboard the USS Ponce in 2014. Laser weapon system demonstrated the ability to disable small boats and drones, proving the concept of using lasers for defense in real-world scenarios. The benefits of laser systems are numerous, including low operational costs, as the only ammunition required is electricity, and the ability to engage targets beyond the range of traditional weapons. As the technology matures, laser systems are expected to become a core part of the Navy's arsenal. They offer a non-kinetic solution to modern warfare, reducing the risk of collateral damage while providing an effective means to counter emerging threats. With ongoing advancements, directed energy weapons could redefine naval warfare, offering unprecedented precision and efficiency in protecting national security.
Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon if you like our content.